Like this hairstyle? Well, here's what to ask your barber. Now, Matt came into Ruffians in Edinburgh for a cut with Craig. He wanted a style that was contemporary, but not the usual hard fade that we see on so many guys with short hair. Now, this is a great hairstyle for anyone with thick, coarse hair. You'll see that just by shaping and defining the length, Matt's hairstyle has been instantly and easily elevated. After washing Matt's hair, Craig starts on the clipper work with a 1 back and sides. Now, a 1 is a great length to keep it short, but without going too severe. It will also allow for a contrast to the top. Now, if you've got thick, coarse hair, tapering it shorter like this will help to remove the heavy dark patches that coarse hair can cause. Craig then used the detailers around the ears, bottom of the neck and at the temples. He then took out the bulk, working down from a 4 on the back and sides. Into the top, it was all about point cutting to add texture and remove some of the weight. The back of the hair was previously sticking up in one solid shape, but removing some length and weight would help to define it. Length was taken off from the back to the front to make it more uniform across this style. You'll see Craig's cut and over 400 more with filters to find your perfect style on manfromself.com, all linked down below. Craig then styled with a little bit of the Ruffians hair cream to give it some movement, both in texture and hold. He then finessed the cut with clipper over comb. Now, with thicker hair like Matt's, this can take a little longer, but really it is worth it to make it look really smooth. All details on Matt's cut are down in the description, as well as information on what to ask your barber. Hit subscribe right now for more hairstyles, product reviews and grooming tips from me, Man for Himself.